I want to give an example of how that evil thing, it as though tries to help, but in fact it doesn't. It's unnecessary and it makes me suffer. Several months ago, when I trained at a pace that was too fast, and it gave me energy, but nervous energy. I was tense. It constantly twitched my thighs every several seconds or so, and made me tremendously suffer just to aggravate my tension, to make me feel like I was a lot more tense than I actually was. Not 10 times more, but more like 100 times more. Just because I trained too fast. Just to emphasize me that I was tense. It forced me to feel 100 times more tense by twitching my thighs, and made me severely suffer, and made me exhausted. And I was in so much suffering from the thigh twitching every several seconds, I cannot describe it. Just to emphasize to me that I was tense. Just for that. It had to aggravate it 100 times more. That evil thing. Nowadays, I train at a slower pace. And I feel better. But you know what? I would prefer to suffer from the tension that the faster pace gave me, and learn my lesson the slow and hard way, rather than being made to suffer by that evil thing that twitches my thighs. I want to emphasize that nowadays, although I train at a much slower pace than before, almost 3 times slower, it still every day twitches my thighs and my feet and makes me suffer. And I don't know, in some sick attempt to force me to become some stupid perfect being, and it forces me to suffer just to make me so. I'm already trying as hard as I can to be as best as I can, but it still always makes me suffer by twitching my legs. I want this evil shit gone from my life. Trust me that this evil shit has no use. It has no use, it just makes people suffer. It just makes me suffer. I want it gone forever.